Hi guys, this is Viktor Kuryshev. I've decided to change my life completely. 37 is a good age to start everything new. My challenge is to conquer the world of data science. Uh, yes, finally I understood what I like and what I want to do. There are two main aims that I point. I want to get a bachelor degree in computer science in a USA university, and I want to find a remote job of Python programmer in data science or backend or full stack for web. It seems that for this I need to get a lot of knowledge and master a lot of new skills, as now I have only a master degree in linguistics, so many knowledge my knowledge is very far from technology at the moment. As soon as entering university will require a lot of costs, I need to raise funds first, so the most vivid aim now is to get a remote job and as a programmer, and as it seems that junior positions are very rare and very competitive, so I should be able to cope with the middle position from the very start. What I will need: a splendid knowledge of Python with some additional texts like pandas, numpy and so on, some framework like Flask or Django, and JavaScript should also be helpful to me, and of course some maths like linear algebra, probability and so on. I've bought a lot of courses now in different sources, as passing a course in one place is a little bit boring, and so I change frequently. As I stuck in one place, I start to do it in another place and listen how different coaches explain the things. My plan is very challenging. I plan to get a coder position in 6 months from this point, so I decided to record what I learn and to translate into easy words what I understand while learning things. I'm going to start with Python, explaining it little by little, and also giving some practical things. As soon as I will write programs, I will record it, explaining every line of code. If you would like to see my video, I would be very pleased. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in my videos.